Hello, welcome to Sundays with Selma. Today, I'm going to make French toast. It is sound fancy, but it is extremely easy to make. We need the following ingredients to begin. Bread, thick slice, 4 slices. Eggs, 2 numbers. Milk, half a cup. Sugar, 2 tablespoons. Vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon. Cinnamon powder, half teaspoon. Salt, 1/4 teaspoon. Butter, 2 tablespoons. In a medium bowl, add eggs, sugar, cinnamon powder, milk, vanilla extract, salt, and whisk together. Preheat your skillet to over medium-low heat and melt in 1 tablespoon of butter. Dip the bread slices into the egg mixture one at a time and soak for 30 seconds per side. Fry slices until golden brown. Then flip to cook the other side. Now the French toast is ready to serve. If you like this recipe, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.